All right, hi, meteorologist Jim Castillo here. Wanted to start out talking about our all-time record high heat indices. So the heat index, that's where that combination of that temperature meets the dew point, humidity, and we felt like 120 back July 3rd, 1995. 118, that's the second place winner here. It got a tie, really. August 8th, 1995, and also July 14th, 1980. And then just a couple of years ago, less than 2 years ago, 117, August 20th in 2023, and 116, August 22nd in 2023. So dangerous heat's headed our way again. Now, maybe the highest heat index will be about 109 in the city. But Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, in the very least, because it might actually hold on even longer throughout next week, but those afternoon heat indices, about 98 to 105 plus, so up to 109. Hydrate, use the AC. You know, if your AC is not working, there's cooling centers that will be set up, and make sure you go to one of those. But we've had some nice temperatures out there this morning. Highland, Illinois, very sunny. Watching a few showers and storms to the north of the area. I'll show you that coming up. But we're dry this morning, and look at these numbers. We were in the 60s, but now we're all in the 70s, and that is it. We're not going to see 60s for a while now, even for overnight lows. But fluorescent, almost to 78 right now, almost 80, I should say. High pressure, there it is. This is the upper levels of the atmosphere. The jet stream is that fast-moving river of air. It's in Northern California. There's a little bit of a jet streak right through western Colorado, Minneapolis, Chicago. There's that dip, that trough of low pressure that was over us yesterday. We still have this northwest wind flow pushing through the area. Looks like this cluster of storms should follow that right there east. So eventually they'll start moving east, but we'll watch to see if some of the clouds move our way today. So high pressure really building up over the next few days. Watch as I put this into motion. We're hoping that high builds and then breaks apart or moves to the east. But watch it stall out over the east coast and then retrograde or move westward. So that's why we're watching next week for that heat to stay with us with limited rain chances. So today we don't have an extreme heat watch, but we do tomorrow for the metro all the way through Tuesday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Heat advisory, same time frame here for the rest of the area. So all of us are hot. Today's hot, hottest day we've been so far this year. 93 St. Louis, 92 Belleville, Alton 91, and coming in at 90 for Farmington and Park Hills and Ironton and Rolla. So a little bit of a southerly wind out there, and that's going to get us a little stronger tomorrow. So we'll get a breeze going, which is good, but 96 for the high Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 94 Tuesday, Wednesday. Might even have to go a little bit higher. The average high for this time of year is 87. All right. Look at the heat index. 105 St. Louis, Shiloh, Illinois, St. Charles, Alton 106. 4 o'clock on Saturday. There's that snapshot. You notice there's, more trees down here. It's still hot, so if you're camping, it's going to feel like almost 100, even down around Potosi, Farmington, down around Reynolds County and Centerville. Rolla, it's going to feel like 101. And look at this dark, stormy sky. This is not Missouri or Illinois. This is Iowa, and this is by Des Moines. We've been on this all morning. It's been quite a stormy morning there. Some severe weather near the Des Moines area. I haven't seen any tornado warnings, but definitely a lot of lightning and a lot of rain and a dark sky there. So what's going on? A little impulse of weather. And look at this, Kirksville getting some showers and storms right now. This is something we always watch. What happens upstream from us, and then you check out the northwest flow. Those streams go right in to our eastern Illinois counties. So we'll watch to see if this should break apart. But Quincy getting some rain all the way to Kirksville and should bypass Columbia. But the heaviest weather is around Waterloo, Iowa and southeast Iowa. And so let's zoom in a little bit more. Look at the clouds pushing into Pike County, Missouri. And Florida, Missouri, close to Pike County, so a chance of a shower. I wouldn't be surprised. Kirksville, a thunder shower. That's a lot of lightning around Kirksville. And how much of that will hold together and then push southeastward. So just watching our northern counties, even Calhoun County, Greene County, Macoupin County, Montgomery. You're not expecting severe weather, but definitely this outflow from the rain up to the north could spark a few down to the south, but most of it should be moving east. So Peoria, and there it is, severe weather threat. Hey, that has changed. It was Chicago. Now it's only around northern Missouri and into Iowa. So this is an update. Minneapolis northward is that higher risk of severe weather for today. So even if we do get a shower or a rumble of thunder in our northern counties, we're not expecting severe weather, which is great news. We don't have the upper level wind support, not all the ingredients coming together, but the ingredients for a heat wave, sure, they're here. Advanced tracking, all that yellow is showing up. It's just that heat and humidity. So tomorrow, there it is. Look at these highs, mid-90s. So we're at 90 at 11 a.m. That's the issue. And we stay hot all the way through the early evening. Southwest breeze, 10 to 15, gust to 25. Shakespeare in the Park, well, everything starts at about 8. So things are cooling down, and with that breeze, it'll make it feel better. All right, should stay dry, mostly sunny for tomorrow. Mold is high. Weeds are moderate. Grasses are low. 7-day forecast. Dangerous heat, weather impact alert Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We might extend that a little further. Summer solstice at 9:41 this evening, 93 today. No advisories, warnings, or watches, but tomorrow we do. 96 Saturday, 96 Sunday, 96 Monday, and then still in the 90s through next week with that heat, humidity, and some rain chances, sure. Spotty at best. So look at next Friday, Saturday, Sunday, about a 30% chance of scattered showers and storms in the afternoon. Highs a little cooler, about 90, but it's still very humid. And overnight lows should be in the 70s most of this time. In fact, some of those overnight lows this weekend in the city, about 80.